Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, FWD. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.